قال: فأخبرني عن الساعة. قال: ما المسؤول عنها بأعلم من السائل. قال: فأخبرني عن أماراتها. قال: أن تلد الأمة ربتها.
They're called miracle babies. Each one was born from a surrogate mother in India. Mothers like 26-year-old Opina, who just carried and gave birth to twins for Christine, an infertile woman from Vancouver, Canada.
જે બેબી છે એ સેમ એના પપ્પા જેવી છે અને છોકરો છે એની મમ્મી પર પડ્યો છે.
Opina was able to buy a home after renting out her womb for $7,500. That's more than 10 years' wages in India.
India is one of the few countries that allows commercial surrogacy. In this hostel, 50 women live together. Each of these surrogates will get $8,000 for carrying a baby.